and our beloved students. On behalf of the entire LRDAV fraternity, I welcome you all to the Inter-School Mega Mathematics Quiz Contest. Welcome to this esteemed platform where brilliance collides with knowledge. Today, we are celebrating a man who reshaped 20th century mathematics with his various contributions in several mathematical domains. Srinivasa Ramanujan, popularly known as the man who knew infinity, has made such significant contributions in the field of mathematics that their lifetime. In 1918, Ramanujan became the second Indian to be included as a Fellow of the Royal Society. Every year, Ramanujan's birth anniversary is celebrated on December 22nd and is observed as National Mathematics Day. In order to commemorate the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan and pay floral tribute to this legendary mathematician. Sir, please. Simultaneously, may I also request the esteemed dignitaries to kindle the holy lamp in order to initiate this memorable event today.
Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
So it is my proud privilege to introduce the Honorable Chief Guest of today's occasion, respected Dr. Dwiti Krishna Behera sir. Sir is an Assistant Professor, Stage 3, Department of Mathematics in Ravenshaw University since 2013. Under his able guidance and supervision, many students have attained their MPhil and PhD degrees and have contributed to publishing in national and international journals. Sir, we are really honored to have your gracious presence among us and we welcome you, sir. We request esteemed Principal, sir, to kindly offer a bouquet. Let us all clap and welcome the esteemed Chief Guest of this occasion. The quiz master of today's Mega Mathematics Quiz Contest, respected Mr. Bikram Keshari Rao. Sir, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of English in Gandhi Institute for Technology, Bhubaneswar. Sir has more than 27 years of experience in teaching literature, communication skills, business communication, corporate readiness modules and soft skills. Sir has published many articles and has also translated an Odia novel. Sir is also a life member of All India Freelance Journalists Association, Chennai and National Book Trust, New Delhi. Sir, we welcome you and we are really fortunate to have your worthy presence among us today. I would now like to take this opportunity to invite the one who has been our guiding light in all our endeavors and has always encouraged our students to give their best. May I request esteemed Principal of this institution, Mr. Niranjan Swai sir, to kindly come forward and present the welcome address. Sir, please.
All present over here, we are very sorry, instead of good morning, I am forced to tell good afternoon because the process of the CBTD little bit late. At the outset, I must welcome the chief guest of today, Mr. Diti Krishna Behera, Assistant Professor of the Ravensa College and Head of the Department. Sir, on behalf of the DAB fraternity and on behalf of the LRDAB, we welcome to you to the quiz to be conducted today on eve of the birthday of Ramanujan. Welcome, sir. Now I am talking about Mr. Bikram Kesar Raut. He was my old friend and he was working with me so many years. The head of the department of the Gandhi Institute. And sir has the unique identification as a best teacher, best guide and best counselor also. Sir, on behalf of LRDAB fraternity, we also welcome to you to this auspicious occasion. My dear friends, colleagues of the mathematics of the different schools, those are present over here, I welcome to you, everyone. And also I congratulate to all the participants. Those have participated and taken interest to be the part of this quiz contest. I must congratulate to you and also welcome to you. I welcome all the department members, those are present here. So my dear students, only one line I will say here, because your result is not declared, result will be declared soon. Who will be the winner, who will be the loser? The winner will also, of course, will get the credit, but the loser should not be dishonored. Because you know, if you lose the battle, that becomes a pillar to go towards the success. So if your pillar will be strong, then utmost ultimate result will be the success. And another line also I am telling you here, the definition of the success is not defined till date. No one can say what is the definition of success. Participating in an Olympics and not getting a medal is also considered a success. Participating in any Asian events or any other events and getting a medal is also considered a success. So success definition is not defined till date. In some school, the students are not scoring 98%, 99%. If they are scoring 99.6%, that is called success. In some cases, students are scoring 84%, that is also success. The students, those are scoring usually 60% and scored 80%, that is called success. The students, those are usually scored 99% but scoring 98%, that becomes failure. So definition of the success and failure is not defined till then. That is with respect to the person, with respect to the situation, with respect to the locality. So those who will not get the chance also, you should not be demotivated, you should not be dishonored. So with this, I hope all the best. Those who will be on the stage, those who will be not also on the stage. Thank you very much.
It is now my esteemed pleasure to invite our chief guest, Dr. Dviti Krishna Behera sir, on the stage to enlighten our students and say some words of wisdom. Sir, please.
All esteemed Principal Sir, Dr. Niranjan Swai sir, and Mr. Bikram Kesar Raut, who is Master Sir, Mr. Ashok Kumar Panigray sir, Head of the Department of Mathematics, and all the faculty members of LRDAB School, and my dearest students, I very much thankful to Dr. Swai sir, our principal, to get a chance or few lines interact the students. Thank you, sir. It is get my pleasure to few things to share the students and also the faculty members. Thank you very much. Dear students, all of know this program is entitled the 136th birth anniversary of great mathematician and philosopher Srinivas Ramanujan. And also the government of India to be declared this birth anniversary day as a national mathematics day. This is not only in philosopher Srinivas Ramanujan, not only in the India, but in abroad the name is famous and very gently person. Already you have to know the student. In the age of 13 and 14 age, just like your age, all the students. In this year, this is the fun of mathematics which is to be related to the number system. All of the students, you know the number system. Srinivas Ramanujan to play the numbers. Always in the mind, very genius person, but in simple attitude. You to brief the biography of the Srinivas Ramanujan, you to know this is a simple person. In the year of 22nd December 1887, to born a very poor family, you have to know, in Tamil Nadu. But death in 1920, very few years to contribute a lot of things, not only in India, in the abroad. You have to know in the biography this one. I am very much thankful to our principal, sir, and also the fraternity of the DAV school, DAV organization. This is the program which the students to encourage and to explore the talents of mathematics related to your problem solving capacity or intellectual, that which you to be encouraged. First of all, to already sir is told to congratulate the all students which appear in the mega quiz competition, that which is to be explore the students efficiency, thinking or problem solving capacity to in your future as well as in the country. In your future as well as country means you to contribute some things to the country as well as the world. So Ramanujan just like this one, always in classroom, the memory will be always in this way, how to, suppose any topic, teacher will be taught. So lot of things which is to be analyzed. Why? Mathematics, why is very important. Understanding the why question is always to be in your mind is very important. You have to see in the bibliography, in the age of 32, that is only the 32 age, lot of things will be derived. Now till date which is to be unsolvable problem which is to be there. If one get to be solved, that will be awarded as the professor or doctorate like this. So on my behalf and behalf of the LRDAB school, must to congratulate all the participants, either which is to be success or not success. That is also the participation is very important. In the 1 hour or 2 hour, the student will be appear the examination, that will be very effectively to the mind concentration which is to be how much the question will be carry out or not carry out. That is does not matter. You to see in the bibliography of this Srinivas Ramanujan, the classroom, some problem which is to be there, because this is a genius person, no doubt. But always you will be thinking, what will be the mathematics? The loving mathematics is the only one subject, if you have to love, So automatically everything will be settled down. Why? In other subject, because I am a man of mathematics, so always this will be, if will be student will be interest towards mathematics, no doubt all the things will be covered. Syllabus does not matter. You have to study in secondary level, senior secondary level, graduation, post-graduation, research, everything. Now we have to only few words to sharing. If any student will be love the mathematics, so that automatically not the securing of the mathematics as the career is bright. Career is bright in the sense you automatically so many research will be developed. So student will be thinking in the mathematics is the hard subject. In my opinion, the mathematics is not hard if you have to love. Srinivas Ramanujan is the person which is only for the loving of mathematics. In the bibliography you have to see, in the last moment you have to death, does not care its health. Actually, if will be involvement in the mathematics or the subject like in the physics like this, so that automatically it will be contribute and as well involvement will be there. So does not care its health. Last moment is very difficult to carry his health, and ultimately 1920 will be he was the death. So in the auspicious day, that will be very much thankful to our principal sir to give me opportunity to few words to share. The student, you know that after the senior secondary, you have to come the graduation. Graduation, that will be a lot of scope will be there in mathematics. You have to appear the JAM exam, NIT, IIT, NIGER, IJER, lot of things will be you have to join. That will be the very much bright career, no doubt. So, our participant will be very much performance in the mega quiz competition.
Sir,
Okay.
I request sir to declare the result of
Thank you.
CBT test. Okay.
Thank you all the participants to join us in the mega quiz competition. Thank you sir. Also thankful sir Vikram Kesari Rao sir, the quiz master sir, which is to be lot of things to guide us the students and mentor, and head of the departments and all the faculty members and principal sir. Now this is the very good event for to the nurture of the talent of the students, and so many schools will be attend in the program. Now my behalf, on behalf of the DAV schools, thankful the all participants who join us the mega quiz competition. Thank you very much. Now I am opportunity to declare the result of quiz. First rank goes to Master
Please come to the
school. Okay. First rank goes to the name of the school, LRDAV School, CUTTACK. Come to the stage. Congratulate all the candidates who secured the first rank. Now this is the preliminary screening test. Then after you have to, the final will be there. Next rank goes to name of the school, DAV PS Unit 8, Bhubaneswar. Come to the stage. Rank 3 goes to the name of the school, DAV Public School, Chandrasekharpur, Bhubaneswar. Come to the stage. Now rank 4 goes to DAV SCB Medical Press. Come to the dais. Thank you. Thank you, core of my heart. Heartfelt thankful our principal sir, Swai sir, thankful to Panigrai sir, and thankful to all the faculty members of LRDAB school and all the participants, and also thankful to the parents who used to be come in the occasion. Thank you very much.
Are we all ready? Show some energy. Are we all ready to begin? Alright. So today, questions will unleash quests. Answers will spiral intellectual duel. So without further ado, let us invite our quiz master, Mr. Bikram Keshari Rao sir, and begin the inter-school mega mathematics quiz contest. Sir, the stage is...
This quiz competition, let me just enlighten you about the rules. Hello, may I have your attention on the group? Are you listening to me? So we are on the verge of conducting this quiz competition, but before that I would like to spell out the rules of today's quiz contest. Okay? So there will be total 4 rounds. First round is bonus round. Second one is visual round, third one is puzzle round, and the last but not the least is rapid fire round. The rules of today's competition is as follows. In bonus round, there will be 3 sub rounds. In bonus round, there will be 3 sub rounds. If any group fails to answer to a specific question, then that particular question will be passed on to the adjacent group. And if the adjacent group gets it correct, they will be awarded 5 marks. But remember, there will be no marks if you get it wrong. And in the second and third sub-round, there will be no passing of questions. So you can read the rules written here, that there will be no passing of questions when it comes to second and third round. And each question in the bonus round to be answered in 60 seconds. But the third sub-round timing given to you is 30 seconds. So are you clear about the rules? May I ask all of the groups that are you clear about the rules, or you want any kind of clarification? Sure? So shall you start today's quiz competition? First round, the bonus round. My request to show the question there on the screen is, please move on one slide further. So you can select any of these 4 numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4. Then questions will be asked to you from that number only. So my first question goes to LRDAB Public School. Try to pick your choice out of these 4 options given to you. Don't waste time.
3.
3. Tell the number of terms in the expansion of a plus b plus c to the power 3 each. What? Your time starts now. Still 20 seconds to go. Hurry up, fellow Devi. You are running out of time. Sorry? 9. So please use the mic carefully and take it closer to your mouth.
9.
9. I am afraid you are wrong. The question passes to DB Public School Unit 8. 10. 10 is the correct answer. Ma'am, please award them 5 marks. Audience, just don't be mute spectators. Don't be so passive. You must try to instill a sense of enthusiasm in your colleagues, in your friends. Okay, just give them a good round of applause to all the participants. Thank you. Second question to DAV Public School Unit 8. While conducting this quiz competition, emotions is running high because I was ex-faculty of DAV Chandrasekharpur. My daughter reads in Unit 8, DAV 8, Unit 8, and my friend is now heading the Department of Mathematics. So there is nothing to feel impartial about any group. So, but to be very honest, that it's a memorable day for me to be invited here as a quiz master to commemorate the 136th birth anniversary of great mathematician and philosopher Srinivas Ramanujan. So it's a privilege, Principal Sir and esteemed Chief Guest and my dear brother and former colleague Ashok Pandilai Sir to invite me to your alma mater. Thank you, I am privileged. To continue with this quiz competition, my second question to, yes, you have to select, please.
We select question number 2.
Question number 2. Your question is, what is the reflection of point 4 minus 3 about a line x is equal to minus 2? Is this statement correct?
Minus 8 minus 3.
Minus and minus 3 is the correct answer. A good round of applause for the DAV Public School Unit 8. And give them 10 marks. So now it's the turn of DAV Public School Chandrasekharpur. Please pick your choice.
Question number 1.
Question number 1. Which is larger? AB to the base 16 or 162 to the base 10? Please hurry up first. Only 15 seconds to go.
AB 16.
AB16. You are telling the answer, you are asking me?
Telling.
Telling. Okay. That's absolutely the correct answer. Ma'am, give them 10 marks. Group 3 should be awarded with 10 marks. Now we will come to the fourth and the last group, that is Dav Scb, Medical Public School. Obviously, you are left with no other choice than to go for that. Question number 4. How many different ways 8 letters can be dropped in 2 letter boxes? Group 4 from Dav Scb Medical. So now, audience, there will be a question for the audience and there will be prizes too. Okay? But I am not going to tell what will be the prize. You have to keep it guessing. Are you listening to me? Audience, this question is for you. There are 10 lamps in a hall each. There are 10 lamps in a hall each. You have not yet heard me. Sorry? Okay. Okay. So you are faster than me. So each of them can be switched on independently. Find the number of ways in which the hall can be illuminated. Those who want to respond to me, please raise your hands. Okay, so since you have responded first, I should ask you, please sir, give him the mic.
Sir, 89 ways. 89.
8, 9. I am afraid you are not correct. Please give the mic.
Sir, 10 factorial.
Sorry?
10 factorial.
10?
Factorial.
Okay, so this is what I am getting, so you can better explain it. Mathematics, since I don't belong to this particular subject, the answer is 1023. So I am sorry that no prizes for the wrong answer. Then we will I have already declared. Again, we will start from the reverse chronological way. We will start from Dav Scb Medical. Please speak your choice. 3. Sir, please show question number 3. How many words can be formed with the letters of the word equation without changing the relative position of the vowels and consonants? Group 4, please catch up fast. You are running short of time. Only 5 seconds to go.
4 factorial.
I am afraid your answer is not correct. This question cannot be passed. Then next is DAV Public School, CS School. Please pick the next choice.
2.
Sir, please show the question number 2. Your question is, there are 20 railway stations in East Zone. How many different types of tickets are available for journey? Is the correct answer, ma'am. Just to give them 10 marks. Well done, group 3. Then group 2, you choose either 1 or 4. 4. Please show question number 2. So your question is, India and Australia play one-day international cricket series until any one team win 4 matches. No matches ended in a draw. In how many ways can this series be won? Only 15 seconds. Sorry,
7 ways.
you have answered after the time expired. I'm sorry. So, no, you will get 0 for that.
Whether this answer is correct or not, sir?
Not correct.
Correct. Because you should be convinced it's not also correct.
And while responding to the questions, please look at the clicking of the seconds. You need to answer within 60 seconds. Okay? So your friend answered after the expiry of the time. So I am not going to take your answer in that case. So last question of this sub-round. This is meant for LRJV. Question is, the question is, if a book has 252 pages, how many digits have been used to number the pages? I repeat, if a book has 252 pages, how many digits have been used to number the pages? 5 seconds.
Six 48.
648 is absolutely the correct answer. So ma'am, give them 10 marks. With this, group 1 opened their account and we completed the second sub-round of round 1. And now Prabhakar sir will explain to the students how this particular answer was derived. Sir, please.
Not answer.
Yes. At the railway station and the cricket match also.
Listen.
Can you show the question?
In a railway zone, suppose each zone, there are 20 stations. How many different types of tickets are available for journey?
Yes.
Already the question is being shared.
Yes, sir. I know, sir. So there are 20 stations in a railway zone. Suppose each zone. How many different types of tickets will be available for journey? Means one station to another station. It can be done by two ways. Either by fundamental principle of counting. In a ticket, we write two names, from and to. So 20 ways we can write from and 19 ways to. One cannot go from Cuttack to Cuttack, Cuttack to Puri, Cuttack to Bhubaneswar. So, or we have to select two names. One is from, then to. So it can be done by 20 C2 ways. Again, they can be arranged by two ways. Cuttack to Puri and Puri to Cuttack. So it is 20 P2, not C2. 20 C2 into 2 factorial, that is 20 P2. So it will be answer. The answer is understood or not? Or again I have to explain. Are you convinced with my answer? Okay.
First question they are not answered.
First question.
How many groups not answered correctly?
Sir, I think the question that is suppose in between Australia and India equation. Okay. In equation, the vowels and the consonants will not change their relative position. Means they cannot arrange among themselves. They will not change their. How many words can be formed with the letter of the word equation without changing the relative position of vowels and consonants? Means vowel and consonant cannot change their relative position. So vowel, how many vowels? No, 5 vowels. Na? So 5 factorial. They can arrange by 5 factorial ways. Again, how many consonants? 3 consonants. So 3 factorial, 6. So it is 5 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 720, I think so. Okay? Understood?
So now it's time again to test the knowledge of the audience. The question please. How many parallelograms can be formed with 5 vertical lines and 4 horizontal lines? How many parallelograms can be formed with 5 vertical lines and 4 horizontal lines?
That is a direct question. No?
Yes? Sir, please give mic to that girl.
If the calculation is not done, also we can say in the form of T, R or Pi.
Sir, 20.
I am afraid you are not correct. Sir, please give the mic to that girl. That girl.
Sir, 5.
No, it's not 5. Give to that girl. Third to my right. Third to my right.
Sir, 30.
No, 30 is not the correct answer.
Sir, 60.
60 is the correct answer. Sir, prizes for the audience. So a good round of applause for the audience. Thank you. LRTV, please select the numbers.
2.
2. Your question is, I have always enjoyed mathematics. It is the most precise and a concise way of expressing an idea. Who has said this? Remember, the time given to you for this round is only 30 seconds. As told you earlier at the beginning. No passing. Questions cannot be passed.
Hey.
They have given them. No, it's answer. Okay. So the options given to you are Shakuntala Devi, B. N. Narayanmurthy, C. R. Rao, and D. Satyendranath Bose. Yes, please. Sorry? Shakuntala Devi. The answer is wrong.
Any answer from audience?
Any answer from audience? Shakuntala Devi, N. R. Narayanmurthy, C. R. Rao, and Satyendranath Bose. N. R. Narayanmurthy. Yes, your answer is correct. But I don't know whether he will get a prize or not. Because this question was not originally meant for the audience. Okay, select your number.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Your question is, nature is written in mathematical language. Who has given this statement? Albert Einstein, P.C. Mahalanobis, Pythagoras, and Galileo Galilei.
Option A, Einstein.
Option A, Einstein. I am afraid your answer is wrong. Question, anybody who can respond? Nature is written in mathematical language. Who has stated this? Options, Albert Einstein, P.C. Mahalanobis, Pythagoras, and Galileo Galilei.
Sir, Pythagoras.
No, that is not the correct answer. Yes, you be spectacle boy. Yes, yes. You, yes, don't look back. Yes.
Sir, Galileo.
Yes, Galileo is the correct answer. Question number 4. Sir, question please. Your question is, the essence of mathematics lies in its freedom. Who has said this? Options are A. Archimedes, B. Isaac Newton, C. Euler, D. George Cantor. Please be a little bit louder.
Option C, Euler.
Option C, Euler. That's a wrong answer. Question to audience. The essence of mathematics lies in its freedom. Who has said this? Archimedes, Isaac Newton, Euler, and option D, George Cantor. So you have raised your hand first. Yes.
The Archimedes.
Archimedes. Yes, please. George Cantor is the correct answer. Thank you. Last question of this third subsection. Can you please show the question? Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Who has said this? Einstein, option B, Galileo, option C, Shakuntala Devi, option D, Ramanujan. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Ramanujan, D. That's a wrong answer. Question to audience. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Who has said this? Option A, Einstein. Option B, Galileo. Option C, Shakuntala Devi. Option D, Ramanujan.
Sir, Shakuntala Devi.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Shakuntala Devi is the correct answer. So with this, we completed the first round. And now, after the end of first round, Group 1 has secured 10 marks. Group 2 has secured 15. Group 4 has secured 10. And the leader of the first round is Group 3 with 20 points. A good round of applause to Group 3. In the first sub-round, participants have to identify the name of the person which will be shown to you there on the screen. And there will be no pass questions in this round. And you have to respond to these questions within 30 seconds. Sir, please show the visuals. So once again, I am reiterating the rules. This is the visual round, which has got 2 sub-rounds. In the first sub-round, the participants have to identify the name of the person which will be shown here in the screen. The first one is symbol. Okay. Then this question will not be passed on to the other groups. If you get it wrong, then we will go for a fresh question. Okay, sir, first question. And you have to respond within 30 seconds. Okay, so now we will start with this group 4. Please pick your choice. 2. Sir, question number 2. Name this mathematical symbol and what does it stand for?
It does not exist.
Is the correct answer? And 10 marks to group 4. Then I will come to the vicious spoon.
So 1.
Your choice is 1. Name this mathematical symbol and what does it stand for?
differentiation.
It is partial derivatives.
Partial derivative.
Okay. So 10 marks to group 3, DAV published to CS4. Then DAV unit 8, now it's your turn. Take that number.
Question number 3.
Question number 3. Name the mathematical symbol and what does it stand for?
For all.
Very good. That's the correct answer for all. So give them 10 marks to DAV unit 8. So all are doing well in this round. And the last question to the host team, LRDAV. Name the mathematical symbol and what does it stand for?
5.
Sorry?
PHI, 5. Golden Wheel.
PHI. Absolutely correct. That's the correct answer. 10 marks. So this round shows that everybody is scoring full marks. Now we will go to identify the portions. Any questions for audience in this visual now? See this visual? Okay, so the first row can see. Okay. So anyone, any new respondent? Any new respondent? Raise your hands completely. Yes, please. Sorry, equivalent to. Yes. Equivalent to. Okay. So, sir, I think it's correct. Although the word is identical to, equivalent to is also correct. Equivalent to or identical to. You are correct. Okay. So, good round of applause to your friend. Okay. The eminent persons, especially the mathematicians, you have to simply identify them. You have to tell the name. Okay. So we'll start from here.
1.
Group 1 or from group 1. Okay. So what is your pick?
1.
1. Identify this eminent person.
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta is not the correct answer. Group 2. No, this question will not be passed. Audience, anybody who can identify this? Yes, you come. Chanakya. I am afraid Chanakya is not correct. Yes, you are raising your hand, but you are not responding while asking.
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta is not the correct answer. Yes? Yes. Sorry? Brahmagupta. I have not heard any such name called Brahmagupta. Yes? No? You. Boramira is the correct answer. Then the next one. This is for giving unit 8. Please pick your number.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Please identify the question.
Is it Euler? Leonhard Euler.
No, that's not the correct answer. Can anybody identify this? Name this mathematician? Not visible. Okay, you can come out and see. Please. Look at the image and try to find out. Obviously, he is not an Indian. John? No. Chalo. No, chalo. And you? Absolutely, your answer is correct one. That is Frederick Gauss. Okay. So, Please sit down. Thank you. Thank you for the correct answer and a good round of applause to your friend. He is doing extremely well. So you will definitely be an eminent mathematician in future. I could predict that. Okay. Very good. The next one, Chandrasekhar. 3. Please identify. Time is running out. Only 7 seconds. I don't think that it will be easy take for you. He looks more like a freedom fighter than a mathematician. So, anyone from the audience? This time I am not going to ask you. Yes, you. Sorry? Absolutely correct. He is B or Capricorn. At least he should be given a chocolate. It's very difficult to identify this person. And the last question of this particular round, this is for BABSC Medical. Name this mathematician. This is an easy take. Absolutely, Satyendranath Bose is the correct answer. Group 4. 10 marks to them. So, we will have a look on the scores after the completion of this round. So after the completion of the second round, Group 1 had scored 20, Group 2 had scored 25, and both Group 3 and 4 are tied with 30 each. So it's a very close contest. So it's anybody's game, isn't it? So there are still lots of more questions to be asked. So only a difference of 5. You can catch up with one correct answer. Okay. So all the best for the puzzle round, the third round. Just give a quick glance to the rules there. In puzzle round, there will be 3 sub-rounds. Each question in this round to be answered in 1 minute. And there will be no past questions in this round. Is it clear? I repeat again. This puzzle round will have 3 sub-rounds. Each question in this round will be answered in 1 minute. And there will be no passing of questions to other groups. So we'll start with Group 4, BABSC. Please pick your choice.
2.
2. Sir, question please. You have to tell the number in that part where the question mark is given.
Eight.
28, I am afraid, is not the correct answer. So this question cannot be passed. Anyone who can respond to this? sorry, 20. Sorry, I'm sorry that I got confused seeing the identical numbers here in the question paper. So they have got it correct. 10 marks to the GAB SCB medical. The numbers are identical here in the question, so I got confused. Technically, sorry for that. Group 3.
Number 3.
Question number 3. Please identify the number in the middle between 9 and 4. Hurry up, group. Say school. Only 5 seconds. You can go for a wild guess, else you lose.
25.
Sorry?
25.
45.
25.
25. 25 is not the correct answer. Other groups, can you respond to that? Although you are not entitled to marks for that. The answer is there. So, then the third question to DAB Unit 8.
Question number 1.
Question number 1. Seconds.
8.
8 is the correct answer. Audience, please encourage the participants. Give them a good round of applause. So now the last question. This is for the host institute LRJ. What is the number in the corresponding box? Yes, 5 seconds.
3.
3 is not the correct answer. The correct answer is there. 1. So we completed this. Then we will go to the second sub-round of this third round. The question is big for KBSCB. We'll start from here. Okay. So you pick your choice.
2.
Option 2. Your question is, pointing to a boy in the group, Deepak said, Okay. Pointing to a lady, Manju said, "She is the sister of the father of my mother's son." Who is the lady to Manju? I repeat. Pointing to a lady, Manju said, "She is the sister of the father of my mother's son." Who is the lady to Manju? Or what is the relationship of that lady to Manju? Seconds to go.
Aunt.
Aunt is the correct answer. 10 points to LRTAB. Students, give them a good round of applause to your students. 10 marks, ma'am. Then AB unit take you choose your. Sorry. Question number 3. Okay. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, "Her brother's father is the only son of my grandfather." How is the woman related to the man? I repeat. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, "Her brother's father is the only son of my grandfather." How is the woman related to the man? Pointing to a man, Rita said, "He is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband." How is the man related to Rita? I repeat. Pointing to a man, Rita said, "He is the brother of the daughter of the wife of my husband." In what way the man is related to Rita? It is an easy answer. Son is the correct answer. 10 marks to DAV Sheshpur. So now the last question for DAV SCB Medical. Pointing to a boy in the group, Deepak said, "That boy is the younger of the two brothers of the daughter of my father's wife." How is the boy related to Deepak? round of the third round. We'll start from you, SCB Medical. Yes. We'll start from you, SCB Medical. Question?
Two.
Okay, question 2. It's a very long question, just go through it minutely. The man starts moving from point A towards east, a distance of 5 meters to reach the point B. He moves another 5 meters in the same direction to reach a point C, from where he turns an angle of 120 degrees to his left and moves a certain distance to reach a point. So, please cancel that question. We'll cancel this round and we'll move on straight to the fourth round, that is the rapid fire round. Okay? And the rules for this fourth round, that is the rapid fire round. Please look at the slide, look at the projectors. But before that, I would like to read out the scores. After this third round, Group 4 is leading with 50 points, closely followed by Group 2 with 45. And Group 3 is trying to catch up with 41 and Group 1 is lagging behind at 30. So the leader after the third round is 50. No. Serially questions will be asked to you. If you want to skip one particular question, you can skip. But that particular 90 seconds is meant for answering 6 questions. If the time permits, so yes, you can come back. So let me just clarify the rules of this rapid fire round. You are entitled to respond to 6 questions. Okay, within 90 seconds. So you have to take the questions sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to skip one particular question, you may skip. But after completing the 5 questions, if still time is there, you may go back to that skip question. Is my instruction clear to all of you? Okay? So you can see that in rapid fire round, there will be total 6 questions which will be asked to each individual group one by one. Participants have to answer maximum 6 questions within 90 seconds. And if a participant is not able to answer a question, then he can skip that question and attend the next question. But after completing 5 questions, if still time permits to you, okay, suppose you have taken 76 seconds, still 14 seconds are at your disposal, you can come back to that skip question. Okay, so now we'll start from this or this. From okay. Your first question is, symbol DAN is used for which unit? Symbol DAN, D-A-N. Question number 2, how many times can a sheet of paper be folded in half?
8 times.
That's wrong. Question number 3, what does one Google mean? What does one Google mean?
10 to the power 80.
Wrong. Question number 4, inch is a measurement of length in which system? Inch is a measurement of length in which system? Question number 5, 1 gallon equals how many liters? 1 gallon equals how many liters? Yes?
3.785.
3.785. 0.785. Okay, that's the correct answer. You have got 1 out of 6 till now. Your last question is the 3 cube roots of 27 each. The 3 cube roots of 27 each.
9.
No, that's not the correct answer. And your time is up. So, group 4, after the completion of this last round, they have got only 1 question correct. And they have got question number 4, 5 marks. Then are you ready, dear Vishya School? Your time starts now. Question number 1. 1 terameter is equal to how many meters? 1 terameter is equal to how many meters? 10 to the power 12. 1 correct. Question number 2. As a real time unit, what does the GIFFY mean? J-I-F-F-Y. Question number 3. What is the only number that has letters in alphabetical order? What is the only number that has letters in alphabetical orders? Five. Five is the wrong answer. What is the original number of number 0? The question number 5 is what is the other name of Jack in playing card? What is the other name of Jack in playing card? Your last question is which country is credited for the invention of metric system of measurement? Which country is credited for the No, it is not correct. It's France. So I am afraid that group 3 failed to open their account in this round. They have scored 0. One correct. Okay, 1 correct. Okay. Okay. So now I will come to group 2, AB Public School Unit 8. Your time starts now. How many sides does any decagon have? How many sides does any decagon have? E-double-N-E-A-D-E-C-A-G-O-N. Sorry? 20 is the wrong answer. Question number 2. What comes after a trillion? Wrong answer. Question number 3. Ounce is how many types of pound? Ounce is how many types of pound? Wrong answer. Question number 4. Apart from 1 am, the first positive number that is both a square and a cube. Apart from 1 am, im, 1 im. Apart from 1 im. Question number 5. Which is not an imperial unit? Options: ounce, hector, cops, ton. Sorry? Ton is the wrong answer. Last question. 1 yard equals how many feet? Wrong answer. So, KB Unit 8, they have not scored any marks in this round. Okay. So now we will conclude this round of quiz contest with 6 questions to the host institute LRT. Your first question, time starts now. Icosahedron has how many equal sides?
Steve.
Question number 2. What is the only number that does not have its Roman numeral?
0.
0 is the correct answer. 5 marks. Question 2. Question 3. Name the Indian Prime Minister who had proclaimed 22nd December as National Mathematics Day.
Steve.
Question number 4. Which country invented using of negative numbers?
India.
That's a wrong one. Question number 5. Which is larger, 1 acre of land or 1 hectare of land?
1 hectare.
1 hectare is the correct answer. 5 marks for that. And this is the last question of today's session. What comes up to terabyte?
Petabyte.
Petabyte is the correct answer. Again, 5 marks and well done. The host institute LRBAB in this final round. Oh yes. Second one, what is the only number that, third one, then the Indian Prime Minister who had proclaimed 22nd December as National Mathematics Day? You can go for a wide guess.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
You are I'm sorry that we concluded the quiz session here. But special questions in case of that. So there is a gap of 5 minutes now. You can refresh your memory.
So to avoid the tiebreaker, we will give one question, open-ended question to the 3 groups. And which group will raise the hand first, he will given the chance to answer the first. If will answer correctly, then will not go to the second group. If it is not answered, then will go to the second group who has raised the hands second times. Then if it is third times. Understood once again? I am telling one open-ended question will be asked. And we will watch which group is raising the hand first. And immediately when they are raising the hand, you will ask the answer. Otherwise, suppose I raise the hand and after 10 minutes, 10 seconds I will tell the answer. Immediately you will ask the answer and reserve the answer which you don't tell it. And the second also you tell like this way. Last one too, we have to see which is raising the hands first. Correct? Hello? Huh? We will ask an open-ended question and we will raise that question.
The completion of round 4. Now group 4 has scored 55 points and rest of the 3 groups, that is group 1, 2 and 3, all of them are tied with 45 each. So there is a tie among the 3 groups. So just to select the next winner, we are going to ask an open-ended question to all of you. All of you means only the 3 groups, not the 4th one. Okay? And whoever responds by raising, both the participants, you need to raise your hand. Okay? Whoever raises the hand first, the question will be asked to them first. Okay, not only that, you raise your hand and you will answer after 3 minutes. No. You have to raise your hand and you have to respond to the question immediately. Are you agreed with this proposal or not? Yes, Lord.
Yes, sir.
It will be open-ended question for the 3 groups, not because one group is already selected. You have to understand the logic. One open-ended question will be asked. Though the mathematics, the calculation part is involved there, so those who will raise the hand first, immediately, 7, 10.
Okay.
But the answer will be reserved. And sir will declare the answer is correct. If the first person is correct, hope that the instruction and the rules spelled out by principal is clear to all of you. Okay? Okay. Okay. And now the question will be asked to you by Govind sir, since it's a mathematical question. So, sir will take the stage. Sir, please. All of you are ready? Group 1, 2 and 3. Okay? So, I will read out the question and you try to respond to my question as soon as possible. And sir, ma'am, you just please give a look to whoever responds fast. Yes, here I go. What is the minimum value of root theta, sin theta plus cos theta? Root 3 sin theta plus cos theta.
Group 1.
Group 1 has responded quickly. Sorry? What is the minimum value? Yes, group 2. Minus? Okay, group 3.
-2.
-2. All are correct. So as per our rules,
Whole root 3 sin theta plus cos theta or root 3 cos theta plus sin theta? It was not distinct. It was not clear actually. Whole the only root.
So also our rapid fire question, the I part or
we can't go back to whatever happened.
I just want to understand what happened. Make the question to the different.
Root 3 cos theta plus sin theta. How many I will take it? Whole root or only root?
So we'll take another question. Let us be ready. If sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, the value of sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, then what will be the value of cos square theta plus cos 4 theta? Cos square theta plus cos 4 theta. What is your answer? What is your answer? Then tell you suggest what to do. You suggest. Huh?
Yes, you have to then you have to
Then. Ready? Ready, all of you? All of you ready? Huh? Ready, sir? Because we have given 3 chances. All of you be silent, all of you the audience. Please put the question on the screen, quick. Please put the question on the screen. Ready? This is the question. This is the question. Confirm me. Yes, start your answer. A man starts moving towards east a distance of 10 meters. He turns an angle of 130 degrees to his left and moves a distance of 5 meters. Again turns an angle of 50 degrees to his left and moves a distance of 10 meters. then how far he is from original position? Yes, what is the answer? What is your answer? Answer is 5. Answer is 7. Your answer?
Sir, origin. Back. Back to the place.
Back to the
Back to their own origin.
origin. So 5, 7, origin. Which is the correct? Thank you very much. Hello. So after the tiebreaker round, we finally got our today's runners-up, and they are the host institute group 1, who is the today's runners-up of this inter-school mega mathematics contest. Congratulations, the host institute, LRDAB, and today's winner is group 4 from Dav Scb Medical College. Many congratulations to the winner and to the runners-up. And also we sincerely feel for other 2 groups, those who did remarkably well, equaling the marks with LRDAB. But hard luck today, nothing to feel sad. I could see your pale faces, but it is not important. Losing and gaining, or losing or winning is not important in life. You did remarkably well, you participated and you played this game with a high spirit. Many congratulations to you participants from DAV Unit 8 and DAV Chandrasekhar.
Thank you, sir. May I now request esteemed guest of today's occasion to kindly come forward and we'll proceed with the prize distribution ceremony. Dr. Dviti Krishna Behra sir and Mr. Bikram Keshi Raut sir. Both of you please be on the stage. So as we all know, the runners-up trophy has been bagged by LRDAV Public School. May I request the participants to kindly come on the stage. May I request all the teachers to please accompany us on the stage. The teachers of LRDAV also. Let's have a huge round of applause. The teachers of the mathematics department of our school, kindly accompany us on the stage, please.
Another round of applause, please.
A huge one for the whole school. May I request sir to kindly hand over the certificates and the cash prize. Congratulations, and now the Champions Trophy. The much awaited moment. DAV SCB Medical Public School has bagged the Champions Trophy, and let's applaud for them. Congratulations, Team DAV SCB. We are so proud of you. All the students who are sitting here, please show some energy, please clap your hands. They are receiving their certificates and the cash prize. seriously. Now I would like to request our principal sir to kindly felicitate our guests of today's occasion, Dr. Dwiti Krishna Behera sir and Mr. Bikram Keshri Raut sir, for their valuable presence among us today. It is indeed a proud moment for us. Thank you so much, sir, for your honorable presence, for your valuable time that you spent with us today and made this program a huge success. Please accept this as a small token of love. May I request the teachers of the Department of Mathematics to kindly be on the stage for a group photo. Thank you so much. May I now request my dear colleague, Dr. G.C. Saragi sir, to kindly come forward and propose the customary vote of thanks. Sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. All is well that ends in well. Respected Chief Guest of the today's occasion, Dr. Dwiti Krishna Behera sir, Quizmaster Mr. Bikram Keshri Rao sir, and all the teachers from DAV institutions of CUTTACK, Bhubaneswar and Paradip, and my dear colleagues. Today, first of all, I want to thank to our Chief Justice, the Chief Guest of the today's occasion, Dr. Dwiti Krishna sir, the Associate Professor cum HOD of Ravenshaw University, Cuttack. Sir, actually, your presence boosted us a lot. Our students have learned many things about Ramanujan, and we are proud to be with you today. Next, our Quizmaster sir, Bikram Keshri Rao sir. Sir, your way of dealings with the students at the time of conducting the quiz was quite remarkable and rememberable. Thank you, sir, for your kind presence. Needless to say, our Reverend Principal, sir, without whose able guidance, this meticulous way of planning could not be possible. So, sir, I am really grateful to you and proud just that I am your colleague, sir. Next, head of the department and of course the Department of the Mathematics, each and every one, since 3 to 4 days we are running how to make this conduction a purposeful and fruitful and successful. And last but not least, the technical staffs, the Department of Computer Science, particularly Professor sir and others, and that Krishna Pati, Bhai, and all others non-technical staffs, and each and every members of the DAV family, they have contributed their valuable time to make the program a successful and pageantry one. Thank you. Bye bye.